We took it out for a test drive. Within 5 minutes, I was like, this is the car.
How was the experience with the car?
Fun to drive, man. And गाड़ी भागती है. And it's very stable.
So driving pleasure, full marks.
Yeah, full marks. Yeah, in general, everything is nice about this car. I don't have a lot of
mileage क्या दे रही है तुमको ये?
So city travel, it gives me.
How has the experience been in the service?
This yellow light of get it checked was popping up every now and then. लेकिन हाँ सर कुछ दिक्कत नहीं ना, दिक्कत है तो लाइट क्यों आ रही है?
कौन सी लाइट थी? Boot space कैसी है?
Yeah, that is कौन itself.
Does this glitch?
Yeah, this has been a big surprise for me.
Okay.
And एक तो लेने के बाद ना मेरे को थोड़ी weird चीजें दिख रही थी. Not targeting a Thar Rocks owner, but एक Thar Rocks जा रही थी सामने. Very rash driving.
अब मैं चलवाऊंगा तुमको Thar Rocks. तुम बहुत बोल रहे हो चलो हाँ. If you had to recommend this to friends and family,
yes,
would you do it?
Anyone who is not very educated about buying cars, I would recommend go and.
Farida Bari oncoming. For the one last time, this channel is a part of the 01 Media Network by Zerodha. The network is discontinuing and I wanted to take a moment to genuinely thank them for all the editing support that they have provided over the last 2 years and for truly believing in the channel when it was much smaller, right? So that really helps. What happens next? Well, the channel is a labor of love for me. It is something that I have picked up over the weekends and I have done this for the last few years and I will continue to do that. In fact, if anything, I'm a lot more motivated to learn storytelling, production, content and truly level up this channel. So you will see some really exciting stuff coming up in the next few weeks. And if you have been on the fence about subscribing, then now is a great time. And for those of you who have been here all along, thank you for being a part of this channel then, now, and for whatever comes next. So I recently made a video on Kailak Ashwin and a lot of people in the video said that they wanted to know more about the 3XO and I was like, now I'm a Mahindra owner too. I must cover 3XO. And so I was looking who do I know who has a 3XO, and then I realized one of my friends at work, his brother actually bought a 3XO and we've spoken a lot about you. Yeah. So I know you more than you think I do. But welcome. Thank you for doing this. Thank you for sharing your journey of the 3XO with us. You want to quickly introduce yourself?
Yeah. First of all, thank you for having me. My name is Ashwin. I'm a management consultant by profession. As you mentioned, I know of you and I know you through my brother. So both of you are colleagues and I'm actually an avid fan also. I started watching your videos. Actually, 3XO and you entered my life at the same point because I discovered you in September 24. I bought this car delivery on September 24. So that is how I got to know about you. I bought my first credit card because of you. And yeah, it's a surreal feeling listening to your voice next to me rather than a YouTube video. So yeah, thanks for having me.
I also know Ashwin does this thing on credit cards. I might keep this section or might not keep this section given this is the start. But Ashwin goes to Reddit threads and puts his Amex referral links to people and he has accumulated a lot of points by doing this, on putting his link on Reddit threads, Twitter, everywhere here and there, but I digress. Ashwin, how long have you had the 3XO for and what were you driving before this?
I got the delivery on 30th of September 2024.
Okay.
So it's been roughly a year and a half. Before this, I was driving in Hyundai Accent.
Okay.
So which also links to the primary use case of buying this car, which is that the Hyundai Accent was a diesel variant.
Yeah.
And 10-year period jo hota hai Delhi ka, that was lapsing.
Yeah.
So we had to buy a new car. My brother and Bhabhi used their respective cars to go to office and I had to, eventually buy a new car because of that.
Yeah.
So that's why we entered the market to look up for a new car. But the whole journey of how we landed up on a Mahindra, on 3XO, it was not a part of the consideration set from the start.
So, okay, let's get to that. Okay, now, what was your budget? What was your consideration set? What were you looking for in the car? And then tell us how Mahindra sort of came in.
Okay, so initially, when we started looking for it, the budget was like under 10 khatam karte hain.
Okay.
We don't want to exceed like over 15, 20, and बहुत range बढ़ जाती है, बहुत बढ़ जाती चीज़ें.
Yeah.
So under 10 was the thing. We wanted an automatic.
Yeah.
Should be fun to drive.
Yeah.
And initially, we were not stuck up on the whole concept of a compact SUV.
Yeah.
And not basically looking for, big car.
Yeah.
But within the whole process of learning about cars and what I like, what I don't like, I moved to this segment.
Okay.
So initially, the first car that I actually saw was the Alto. The Swift, sorry.
Alto?
First car that I actually saw was the new Swift.
Okay.
Because at that time, it had just come out.
Yeah.
We had heard great rave reviews about kitni mileage deti hai and sporty look hai sab kuch. And my brother and I went to the showroom. Cool लग रही थी, बैठे एकदम immediate no.
Why?
Very fit नहीं आया यार, इतनी So I am 6 foot.
हाँ.
My brother is 5'11".
हाँ.
And we sat in the car and we were doing this कि पीछे हो जाए max assist करने के लिए. And वो हो रही है and we like कि पैर भी fit नहीं आ रहे. So that was a clear no. ठीक है. Then we moved to Hyundai.
Okay.
So venue was something that we know of, right? But it's too much on the road.
Yeah.
We like कि venue नहीं लेंगे.
Yeah.
ये मतलब वही रेंज में है कि अब थोड़े टाइम बाद टैक्सी बन जाएगी तो फिर नहीं लेनी ये वाली कार. So venue नहीं लेनी. But there was a new car that they had launched, Exter. Now Exter, we took the test drive. It was within our budget. It was under 10.
Yeah.
Right. It had a big car feel without it being like a big Hathi.
Yeah.
Right. We drove the Exter, but it was little too boxy
Yeah.
in its look. Also at high speeds, we noticed that it was थोड़ा sway हो रही है ऐसे.
Oh,
Like,
wow.
It was not
Stable.
in your control. It was not stable. Like
Yeah.
steering is very light. That is
Yeah.
why you like to drive it.
Yeah.
And Hyundai की वो pickup होती है.
Yeah.
So वो अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
But it was not very stable.
Okay.
Now in this whole process, right, my niece was about to
Yeah.
be born
Yeah,
in a
yeah,
month or month and a half. So वो idea दिमाग में आ गया था कि it has to be a safe
Safe
car.
car. Yeah.
So-
मैं पूछने ही वाला था कि तुम्हारे अभी तक सेफ्टी का तो कुछ चल ही नहीं रहा है.
हाँ.
एक्स्टर में पहुंच गए.
वो अभी तक मेरा यंग जवानी वाला फेस चल रहा था. So फिर सेफ्टी दिमाग में आ गया. And फिर ironically because हमारे टाइम में ना हमेशा एक Hyundai घर में रही है. It was
हाँ.
Sandro, it was
हाँ.
Accent, and then eventually when we were driving, so we went to Hyundai showroom also.
Yeah.
And एकदम से घर सब बोलते Hyundai करना सेफ नहीं होती.
हाँ.
मैंने बोला यार पिछले 20 साल में लगा क्यों नहीं आपको ये फिर? हम भी तो ट्रैवल कर रहे थे उसमें.
हाँ. वो भी बात सही है.
But ठीक है फिर सेफ नहीं है. And then safety came into the issue.
Yeah.
Now the top 3 things now advice, automatic चाहिए, safety चाहिए
और front
and
drive
front drive चाहिए.
हाँ.
ठीक है. Now the next thing safety, तो we went to Kailak. ठीक है, Skoda चलते हैं, safe car.
आ गई थी काइलाक आ गई थी मार्केट में तब तक.
हाँ यार Kailak आ गई थी.
Okay.
मतलब it was
Just
not
about.
there for booking, but it
हाँ.
was there for test drives. You could look
Yeah,
at
yeah,
it. फिर यार Kailak की दिक्कत ये थी कि the पीछे cabin है ना, this back cabin.
Yeah.
This is not very spacious.
Yeah.
we
Very,
felt.
yeah. I agree.
So my mother, me and my father sat पीछे.
Yeah.
And we felt कि like
No
थोड़ा
way.
cramped है
हाँ.
कि ऐसे मैं हाथ भी नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ
Yeah.
and we are tall people also
Yeah.
यार इतना कोई छोटा है नहीं घर में
Yeah.
and so what me and my brother do is like वो आगे बैठता है मैं आगे बैठता हूँ and he sits मेरे पीछे तो see leg room कितना है and Kailak में it was really shit.
Yeah.
Eventually that also got dropped.
Yeah.
Then we saw क्या कर रहे हैं अब we did not want to go for Brezza or something like that.
Yeah.
Then the thing shifted to let's see Tata कैसी
Why not Brezza though?
यार look appealing नहीं लगा मेरे को
Got it.
इतना.
Okay.
Like the same thing happened with Seltos. We went to the Kia showroom.
Yeah.
Did not take a test drive because
Yeah.
we just saw the car and like the interior is not appealing enough.
Yeah.
So if you look at 3XO, it is not very luxurious in terms of the interiors, but
Yeah.
it is a nice to look
Yeah.
at, good feel,
Yeah.
and this color combination also looks
Yeah,
really premium-ish.
It's pleasing to the eye.
Yeah, it's very easy to the eye, pleasing to the eye. Yeah.
Also,
Uh,
sorry to interrupt. It has a dual zone climate control.
This is one of the great things
That
about
is
this car. यार.
insane.
So what happens is मेरे को बहुत गर्मी लगती है.
हाँ और
तो
मेरे
मैं-
सर पे अभी ऊपर से सन टपक रहा है तो मैं भी इसको गर्म करने वाला हूँ.
हाँ यार करो.
हाँ,
This
go
is a
on.
very cool feature. Because usually यही होता है यहाँ पे कोई और होता है.
Yeah.
And she's like कि मेरे को कम चाहिए या ज़्यादा चाहिए मेरा अलग होता है.
And in this price bracket, anyway, sorry, go on.
Yeah. Then we went to the Kia showroom also.
No, you went to the Tata showroom.
Yeah. So I was telling you about why Brezza did not work,
Yeah.
and because Kia also the same features, we did not really go there because Sonet was not really appealing to us in
Yeah.
terms of interiors and the look.
Yeah.
Then we went to Tata to try Nexon
Yeah.
because my friend had bought a Nexon and he was raving about it. भाई crazy गाड़ी है, मजा आ गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. Now the thing is that घर पे ना एक Aster है and एक Quid है. ठीक है, so I know that automatic में क्या फर्क हो सकता है in terms of that jerks you get and कितना delay आता है and what is seamless.
Yeah, the rubber band effect.
Yes, so that is what I wanted कि seamless हो. And Nexon में the drive was pretty bad.
So you're saying the transmission?
Yeah, it was a big delay. So you felt कि gear 4 से 5th में गया है, 5th से 6th में गया है, ऐसे करके वो feel आती थी. It is not very, it's not very good to have it basically. ठीक है.
Nexon, by the way, is a category leader in this.
Yeah,
segment.
it is.
It has like.
I don't know how.
So I was looking at some numbers. This one sells about 8,800 to 9,000 units a month,
Okay.
which is not good for Mahindra, by the way,
Yeah.
because the Thar Rox sells about 18,000.
Yeah.
The Scorpio sells about like 20,000, and this being an entry-level SUV, even this that should ideally be selling more, but it doesn't. In the overall segment, Nexon's the leader at like some 23,000 units a
Oh
month.
my God, that's quite a big
Right,
difference.
so it's a huge difference, and
Yeah.
then there is also the Brezza in between.
Yeah.
There is the Punch in between.
Yeah,
so all of
Tata
those
Punch,
also
yeah.
come, and then See, this is somewhere in the middle of the pack. But anyway, yeah.
This is really strange because we did not like the interiors much also. Nexon.
Of the
मतलब वो थोड़ा ना मतलब to simply put it, मेरे भाई ने क्या बोला था, डैड ने क्या बोला था कि ऐसा लगा पुरानी टाटा थी,
हाँ.
उसमें ग्लॉसी सा स्टीयरिंग दे दिया,
हाँ.
हाँ कुछ टच स्क्रीन कर दिया डिजिटल दिखाने के लिए, which is very irritating. It has weird angles of making that even the temperature go up.
So not ergonomics and all.
Yeah. And a big screen दे दी. That is it.
हाँ.
The drive was subpar.
And Tata है वो, by the way. So that comes with its own set of baggage.
Yeah.
Even Mahindra has that baggage, but I feel like Tata has like a lot more of that baggage from what I've heard.
Yeah, true. But I feel the drive in itself was not as impactful for me to buy that car at one go.
Yeah, okay. So that's why Nexon was out.
Yeah.
Now what else is left?
Now,
How did you arrive at this?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
This hasn't come in the constraint set at all.
We are at that point now.
Yeah.
So we are coming back from Tata showroom.
Okay.
And there was another Mahindra showroom right next to it.
Yeah.
So my sister-in-law
Yeah.
works in Tech M.
Yeah.
So she's like, एक बार देख तो लो यार, महिंद्रा की गाड़ी अभी अच्छी है, मेरी बारी कब आएगी, कोई महिंद्रा बोल ही नहीं रहा है, प्लीज देख लो एक बार. So he was like, ठीक है यार देख लेते हैं.
Just because you are saying we'll see it.
हाँ, just because you're saying you'll see it, but मेरे दिमाग में it was कि महिंद्रा कैसे मैं हटाऊं लिस्ट से, because थोड़ा stereotypes होते हैं.
हाँ.
Like you know as a Thar owner.
अरे 100%. मेरा भी same scene था. I was like, इसको तो हटाना है ना, it's elimination.
elimination
So
है.
let's just quickly test drive it, eliminate it, and then move on with life and decisions.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And वो confidence भी नहीं आता, पता है वो महिंद्रा सोच के अभी.
Yeah.
And we entered the showroom, and I kid you not, that was the most packed showroom I have visited out of all of these showrooms. Like this was a Sunday after lunchtime, ठीक है? And बंदा चढ़ा हुआ है. एंड वहाँ पे ना पहले भी करता बनाते क्या है यार, स्कॉर्पियो है, थार है, और क्या बनाते, ठीक है. मैं गया कि वहाँ पे 700 आई न्यू कि इज डूइंग वेरी वेल. आई कुड सी अ लॉट ऑफ 700 ऑन द रोड. एंड वहाँ पे लोग खड़े हैं, चार फैमिली एक डोर खोल के कि लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई दिस कार. लाइक एवरीवन इज लुकिंग इनटू इट, पीपीवी इनटू इट.
In this 700.
All cars.
Okay, all
like every car there was on display. Someone is opening the door. 4 बच्चे जा रहे हैं अंदर कि देखते हैं गाड़ी कैसी अंदर से. And I was genuinely impressed with all the interiors that they had, even in Thar, even in 700, or even in 3XO. And also it is a different experience to go into Mahindra.
Yeah.
For the first time I saw that an uncle had come and he got a full thela. ठीक है. And that कपड़ा he opened and इसमें नोटों ऐसे निकले, सारे नोट नीचे निकले. And all of those notes are coming out, and he's like, गाड़ी खरीदने आए आज. And he paid the entire payment through cash.
How is that possible?
I don't know how is that possible. It happened in the Mahindra showroom. Whatever he can think of is not happening anywhere else, it happens in Mahindra. That happened, and so we thought कि ठीक है, हमारे को क्या चाहिए? Now I know that I like, I want automatic. I want.
You want a good
safe.
automatic.
Yeah.
You want
good automatic, safe. It should be
Fun to
compact, fun to drive. It should be like, I don't want a body hathi feeling, but a big car feeling.
Yeah.
So this has a good angle also.
Yeah.
And now the whole process had made me realize what I wanted.
Yeah.
And it's easier to drive for my parents, easier to get in, get out. So
Yeah.
all of these things. Now 3XO was the clear segment that I wanted to tap into for Mahindra.
Yeah.
And we took it out for a test drive.
Yeah.
Within 5 minutes,
Yeah.
I was like, this is the car. And budget मैं भूल गया अब तक कि मैं 10 लाख शुरू किया था. And this is obviously more than that if you buy this variant. This
Which
is
variant is this? Tell us more.
AX5.
AX5.
So एक तो Mahindra has
Petrol automatic EX5.
This is petrol, yeah.
And they also have like MX3 Pro,
Yeah, they
MX5 Pro, God knows, like it's
They
a very
have crazy number of variants. They are like 7 variants if I'm right, and this is like bang in the middle.
okay.
The 3 below it, so the one below it does not have as big a screen as this.
Okay.
This is like a 10.5, 10.25 that has a 7-inch screen.
Yeah.
It does not have a back camera.
Yeah.
So that difference I remember.
Yeah.
The 3 above them. So AX5, this is AX5. The AX5L has a 360 camera.
Okay.
It has ADAS.
Okay.
Now for me personally, spending 1.5-2 lakh extra on that premium did not seem logical because
बंदी करना है ADAS तो other time.
like Aston में ADAS है and हम ना ढूंढते हैं कहाँ से यूज कर पाए. एक बार यूज कर लेते ना, हम जब ट्रिप पे जाते हैं बहुत खुश होते हैं कि हमने ना कुछ क्रूज कंट्रोल यूज किया है आज, because यूज ही नहीं होता यार.
Yeah.
तो ये है. Then AX7 was the variant above that had panoramic sunroof.
Yeah.
And ठीक है, it's good to have, but I have this short little thing. It's also really nice.
Yeah.
Then 7L had leather upholstery, which I'm not a big fan of.
Okay.
I like this. I think this is pretty decent.
I like it too.
And also, if you see the seats have a little curve, so it feels like when you're driving,
Yeah.
you are snuggled into the seat.
Yeah.
So it's very comfortable drive for long
It is.
distance
Even
also.
like I've been sitting so far, it's a nice, like thigh support is good.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
also 6 feet tall, and I also feel like it's
Yeah.
Very comfortable for me to be seated on right now.
तो ventilated नहीं है, but it's very comfortable.
Yeah. AC strong है यार, काफी
हाँ यार,
अच्छी
काफी
खासी
effective
गर्मी है, so far so good. देख महिंद्रा का AC तो मतलब मेरी थार रॉक्स का AC I love. Great AC.
अरे in peak Delhi summers,
Yeah.
this AC has like saved me from बाहर के गंदा धूप
Yeah.
वगैरह कि मैं बाहर गया हूँ कौन सी दुनिया में आ गया.
Yeah.
Like it's very good.
Yeah. Okay. How much did you pay for this? So you bought it, you booked it. Was there a waiting? Was there?
So we booked it at the end of August. Because that is also a whole story of how we got the discount that I come to. Because that was a quarter end. Okay, so there were two showrooms where I live. So both showrooms we got a quote. Both quotes were around 14.4 for this variant. Right? I was like
on road, ex showroom.
On road.
On road. Okay.
I got a call from one of the showrooms कि सर इतना है आप कब करेंगे. तो यार एक ये भी था, which is again a Mahindra thing. I don't know why, but I was getting calls from everyone. ठीक है, all those showrooms, and they're like, sir, when are you buying? Sir, may I help you with something else?
They shared your number across the board, or did you give them the number?
This is like after every test drive, everyone got my number, right? So
Okay.
each showroom, they're calling me. And Mahindra guy, the one whom I did not buy it from,
Yeah.
right? He's like कि भैया आपने बुक नहीं करी गाड़ी अब तक. मैं डांट क्यों रहे हो यार मेरे को? मैं आ रहा हूँ आपके पास. फिर the other showroom guy called me and he was like very eager to close the deal.
Yeah.
So I could sense it.
Yeah.
I was like भैया देखो यार मेरे को दूसरा वाला ना इतना डिस्काउंट दे रहा है.
Yeah.
तो मैं obviously आपसे लूंगा नहीं. Even though I know कि you are closer to my home.
Yeah.
So he's like ठीक है नहीं sir, I will do something and I'll come to your home again for a test drive.
Yeah.
And he made that extra effort also, coming all the way to my home for the another test drive, getting this variant. So I had first driven the AX5L.
Yeah.
So he got the AX5 because he knew that I am interested in this.
Yeah.
He gave us some discount. So 14.4 ka, he made 13.8.
Okay.
Because ek to I feel it was the closing of the quarter, so he
Yeah.
really needed to close the deal.
Yeah.
I think this was also the first few months of releasing of the 3XO.
Yeah.
So maybe that is why they had that eagerness to
Yeah.
close the deal and give discounts. And eventually, we saved a little more on insurance because my father had a contact in Tata AIG.
Okay.
20K extra we got discount on taking it externally. So 13.6 is what we ultimately paid for the car.
Nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Seems like a lot of car for that money. When you were buying this, did you also finance this car? Or have you taken it down? What's your financing like?
So we have not taken any loans on this one.
Okay.
So it was effort from all three of us, my father, me and my brother.
Yeah.
I had some money saved up, they had some money. So we were like, loan woon nahi lete hain.
Yeah.
We have the money,
Okay.
we'll all pitch in. It's a family car ultimately.
Yeah.
ठीक है, primary use case is me driving it to
Yeah.
office and every
Yeah,
day and all of these things. But yeah. So and they also wanted to use their credit cards because so they ended up using Atlas and I use Platinum Travel for my effort
Yeah.
and Infineon and all these things. And
Cards that are devalued or not available anymore. But back in September 2024 it was a
Yeah.
different scene.
Yeah, and they got pretty much their flights booked for the next trip because of this car financing. So we paid through credit cards. And this will be starting with they were saying 3.5% लेंगे सर.
Yeah.
इतना लेंगे.
Yeah.
वो भी हम लड़ते somehow 1.5 तक ले
Very
आए वो. So it was a good deal in all ways, yeah, to be honest with you. But yeah, we paid through credit cards mostly. Like थोड़ा बहुत दिया का UPI, but
Yeah.
initially booking में. But it was mostly credit cards, chunk of it, and a combined effort, no loans.
Got it. Okay. How much have you driven it in the last 1.5 years?
Oh my God, that's a lot. It's 22,000 plus right now.
Wow, you've driven it a fair bit.
Yeah, it
And
has
how
gone
has
on
it
long
been?
trips.
How has it been? Actually, let me start with the first question. Have you gone through the servicing journey of this car?
Yeah.
How has your experience been with the Mahindra servicing?
Okay. Servicing is professional. Like the people are professional, the technicians know what they are doing. They are very prompt in replying, telling you कि sir ऐसा है ऐसा नहीं है, ये एक चीज कर रहे हैं हम. And I think first 3 our labor is free.
Yeah.
So वो सब सही है.
हाँ.
The problem is getting in touch with the servicing people.
How many servicing have you gotten
So
done?
the third one got done a couple of weeks back.
Okay.
First is 2,000 kilometers, second is 10,000, third is 20,000.
Okay. So you're saying that the people are difficult to get in touch with?
Yeah. So the first servicing, they reached out to me. They knew timeline हो गई है, kilometers हो गए हैं, सब कुछ हो गया. So they reached out to me.
हाँ.
Second servicing, I was trying to reach out to them,
हाँ.
and they were not picking up my call. I reached out to the person who sold me the car. He was not picking up my
हाँ.
call. 4 days after that, like my first call, he called me back.
हाँ.
कि सर हाँ बोला आपने फ़ोन किया था. मैंने बोला यार प्लीज़ मेरी सर्विसिंग बुक करा दो यार.
हाँ.
कोई उठा ही नहीं रहा फ़ोन. I did not have the time to go to the showroom and get it, serviced and everything.
So you get it picked up?
Yeah. So the person comes up and gets it, picks it up from my home. It takes I think 200 plus GST is their rate. So they take the car, he'll give it back the next day or the same day as per the servicing. So I want that. So उठा ही नहीं रहा, सब नहीं हो रहा. फिर he gave me a number of one of the technicians. I called him. He called the receptionist, who then called me the next day. So it was a 1 week experience
Got it.
of booking the car.
Is it? Did you try? Have you been going to the same service center, or did you try another one?
Yeah, the showroom that I bought it from has the center also.
That's the one you've been going.
Yeah,
to.
yeah, it's the
Okay.
same one.
So in my experience, the showroom that I bought the Thar Rocks from, I've had one servicing as well. Shit experience there.
Yeah.
Right. Mine is I won't take the name.
Yeah.
But it's a chain across Delhi NCR.
Okay.
And so I found another service center of the same chain, which has recently come up, and they're eager to place.
Okay.
And the servicing experience there has been top notch.
Oh.
Like they were really good, really professional. One service got done, very, very good. So I basically am going to go to them and not going to go to the one I bought it from.
Maybe I
But maybe
should
you
look
could
into
also
it,
try
yeah.
that. Just find out who is the newer service center who's eager to
Right,
please and build their repo, and then you can probably go with
Yeah, I should maybe
Yeah.
try that.
it. Okay. But how has the experience been in the service? Have you faced any issues, anything?
Not in the service, but payment is somehow they try to force you to pay through UPI. कि सर screenshot भेज दो and वहीं पे मेरे पे आ जाएगा technician and we will release the car. And this happened with me twice now. Second service, third servicing. I'm like, नहीं, I want to pay through my card. कि आप लिंक भेजते हो वो पता है, तो I will pay through that. He said कि नहीं सर, हमें को जाना पड़ेगा, 1 हफ्ता लगता है, रिलीज नहीं कर पाएंगे गाड़ी आपकी. है कि उसको थोड़ा सा एफर्ट करना है ना सर्विस सेंटर से जाके अंदर अपना फाइनेंस देखने में. That effort he doesn't want to. And मैंने कहा नहीं, मैंने पे कर दिया है, अब आप जाके देखो. And 2 times this has happened. And both times the car has been released within the 1 hour because he has checked and पैसे आ गए. It's very strange यार, मतलब there are things I don't know how they are working, but it happens in Mahindra.
Things that only happen in Mahindra.
And in this process,
Mahindra Faridabad.
exactly. Now you have named the place. Now there are 2 showrooms. They both know. And एक तो लेने के बाद ना मेरे को थोड़ी weird चीजें दिख रही थी कि I saw again not targeting a Thar Rocks owner, but एक Thar Rocks जा रही थी सामने, very rash driving, ठीक है? And उसके पीछे लिखा था मनीष.
अब मैं चलवाऊंगा तुमको Thar Rocks, तुम बहुत बोल रहे हो, चलो हाँ बोलो.
पीछे लिखा था मनीष going. ठीक है? And when that Thar Rocks stopped, he stopped in the market, ठीक है? I was stopped next to him. उसके आगे लिखा था मनीष coming. And I बोला भाई क्या दिख रहा है मेरे को यार.
This is Faridabad. This is Faridabad. More than anything else,
Okay.
this is Faridabad.
नहीं यार, ऐसा भी नहीं है यार, फरीदाबाद cool है यार.
Oh, hey, cool. Manish going, Manish coming.
You know, there is a trend where they call Faridabad people Faridabadis.
Wow. So, like, Manish going. तूने नहीं लिखवाया Ashwin going?
नहीं यार,
Ashwin
को नहीं
coming.
लिखवाना. मेरी गाड़ी में अभी बेबी ऑन बोर्ड काफी है, अगर मेरी नीस आ गई that is fine, but इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं लिखवाना मेरे को.
Okay, coming back.
Yes.
How's the experience been with the car? Service तो हमने चलो सुन लिया.
Yeah.
क्या सीन है गाड़ी? Do you like it? Do you not like it?
Yeah, it's fun to drive, man. First and foremost, like, it is an amazing drive. You'll drive it.
I'll drive it, yeah.
And गाड़ी भागती है.
हाँ.
Like अभी देखो normally ऐसे है तो भागेगी. Like it's very seamless.
हाँ.
Doesn't
This has
feel-
a 1.2 turbo petrol, right?
Yes, right,
Yeah.
right. And it's very stable.
Yeah.
It's very safe. It has, I think, 5
Yeah,
star
5-star
five-star
rating,
NCAP
yeah.
rating.
Yeah.
It's very sturdy. Even on long drives, I've driven it to Dehradun, to
Yeah.
Chandigarh, Kasauli. It's driven on the hills also.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
very stable car.
Yeah.
And the suspension is very nice.
So driving pleasure, full marks.
Yeah, full marks. Legroom is very nice in this
Yeah.
one. The AC is very effective in
Yeah.
peak Delhi summers.
Yeah, I can actually testify.
Yeah.
I love it. Yeah.
It's very aesthetic to look at.
Yeah.
Like for me, this is what I would have wanted.
Yeah.
Not go over the top, and this is like the bare minimum even.
Yeah.
Good screen, and I like this thing. So the both screens somehow talk to each other.
Acha.
So if I don't know if this is there in the Thar. So if I put something on the map,
Yeah.
right, and if I'm doing something else here,
Yeah.
it will show the directions up here.
Oh.
It will show you take a left 50 meters from here. right?
Nice.
This is really cool.
No.
I have used this a lot.
Very cool. No, so in that one,
Yeah, this
mine is not a digital display.
Okay.
My model is like one up from the base, so
Okay.
that doesn't have the digital display.
Okay.
So I don't know. In mine, obviously, it can't happen, but that's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. In general, everything is nice about this car. I don't have a lot of
mileage.
complaints.
क्या दे रही है तुमको ये? Sorry.
अरे.
Sorry, I get digressed. Please tell us about the mileage.
So city travel, it gives me 13 to 14.
That
It
is
gives 13 to 14.
really good.
Yeah, it also depends on how you drive. So basically, I am not keep constant brakes and constant. Okay, this is okay. Constant brakes and वो सब नहीं करता मैं.
हाँ.
So it is generally a decent drive. It is not very accelerated or brakes एकदम से.
Yeah.
So it gives me a good mileage.
Yeah.
Like 13 to 14 is what I have experienced every time I've seen gone for servicing or I've just noticed this right now. So
Yeah.
that's pretty nice. For
And highways?
for longer journeys, That's 18 and a half I have seen for the 3 times I have taken it out.
Got it.
That's pretty much, that's a great deal to have actually.
Yeah,
For a
yeah,
turbo engine in petrol, that's amazing. And so there are 3 modes in this: zip, zap, zoom.
मेरी गाड़ी खड़ी है, मुझे बस डर है भाई, यहाँ जहाँ खड़ी कर रही है ना कोई फरीदा बैडीज से बच के रहे हैं।
नहीं, ये चेकआउट कर रहा है गाड़ी अभी. So there are 3 modes:
Yeah.
zip, zap, zoom.
Yeah.
Funny names, but yeah, I don't know Thar में same है क्या?
नहीं, हाँ, उसमें भी है, उसमें बहुत सारे और भी हैं, but हाँ, ये zip zap zoom is consistent across the board from XUV
Oh,
to
okay, okay. So zip is the
Retro.
fuel efficient one.
Yeah.
Now majority of the returns that you see is because zip because city travel है.
Yeah.
अभी car on off की तो by default zap चलता है.
Yeah.
Now zap is the more highway type thing.
Yeah.
And it is the one where you feel the power of the car.
Yeah.
And zoom is the sports mode.
Yeah.
And उसमें क्या है कि you feel that you are there and गाड़ी आगे जा चुकी है. कितना एकदम से ऐसे rev होता है ना वो.
Yeah.
तो it feels कि वैसे जा रहा है. So these modes are there and I would prefer anyone who wants to enjoy the car,
Yeah.
recommend it to drive it on zap. अगर आपको fuel efficiency चाहिए ही चाहिए, you want a good mileage, then zip. But yes, zap is the one that you feel.
This 13 to 14 mileage that you're getting is from Zap.
It's mixed.
Okay.
It's actually mixed.
Okay.
So when I came for this one,
Yeah.
so उससे 0.2 ऊपर जा चुका है. Like this is
Okay.
fuel to fuel.
Okay.
I have switched it on for.
Got it.
It's zap right now.
Any other pros? What else do you like about the car? What are some of the features that have made you be like, yaar, this is like the one you just told me, right?
Yeah,
that
yeah.
this is something you used a lot and you really appreciate it.
Yeah, yeah.
Are there any other such features that you truly enjoy?
So there is one feature which should be a pro.
Yeah.
I have liked it and disliked it.
Okay.
So there is a start stop button here.
Yeah.
So the basic idea is whenever you're in a traffic situation
Yeah.
and you constantly have to stop your car,
Yeah.
so it switches off the engine, it goes into
Yeah,
battery
yeah,
saver
yeah,
mode. And if
सब
this
गाड़ियों में
happens,
ही है.
if this happens multiple times ना, तो यहाँ पे स्क्रीन में मैसेज आ जाता है कि please switch on your engine, your battery is low.
हाँ.
एंड मेरे को लगता है फ़ायदा ही नहीं है अगर मैं 4-5 बार में ये हो रहा है हर बार, तो देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट ऑफ इट. इट इज़ अ गुड थिंग, बट व्हेन आई एम इन अ ट्रैफिक सिचुएशन ना, दिस गेट्स रियली इरिटेटिंग एंड इट्स अ मैनुअल एफर्ट टू क्लोज दिस.
Yeah. ये सबका यार, ये थारॉक्स में भी वही है, स्लावे में भी वही है,
सब में सही है.
सब में ऐसा ही है. वो I think came as a regulation in one of those
Oh, okay.
BS4s or BS6s somewhere. I don't remember exactly, but it's a reason. That's why they have it in all cars, and everybody mostly in like short traffic start stop they switch it off.
ओके.
So that's yeah. What else? What are the other wireless charger भी है?
ये प्रो तो नहीं है.
हाँ, चलता है ये.
बहुत मूडी है यार. मतलब भगवान भरोसे यही, मतलब I can't rely on it. I have started keeping a wire now to
Yeah.
charge my phone because you put it there,
Yeah.
it will charge. Somehow after a few seconds, it is not charging.
Yeah.
Car starts, it's charging. Car stops, it stops charging.
Yeah.
And the next time I switch it on,
Yeah.
so it's very moody.
Yeah.
It's like I like it. But it's not very functional.
Got it. How's the music system? How's the music system?
It's functional.
Okay.
So
can I hear something?
Yeah, you can. If you
हाँ,
want
यही बजा
specific.
दे, अरे.
अच्छा ठीक है.
समझ गया मैं.
ठीक है, मतलब फील नहीं आएगी बहुत अच्छी. इट इज नॉर्मल. इट इज नॉट अ सराउंड साउंड सिस्टम
Yeah.
एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू वांट
Yeah,
एंड वो सब चीजें. लाइक वो हारमन स्पीकर्स होते हैं इनके.
हाँ,
I
अच्छा वो
don't think-
ऊपर वाले में आते हैं.
हाँ, उसमें ऊपर वाले में आते हैं.
हाँ.
इसमें आई थिंक ओन ब्रांड ऐसा कुछ ही है, बट इट इज नॉट अमेजिंग, इट इज
Yeah.
नॉट बैड.
Yeah.
Someone who is used to having good audio on their way to office or something like that, उनके लिए okay experience.
Got it. Did you get any mods done to the car? Did you get any upgrades after you bought
No,
it?
I did not get any upgrades. At the time of booking, so the accessories that I got it, in the whole discount negotiation situation, we actually got the floor mats included within the whole price.
Yeah.
And the small accessory that we added was that tray in the back for the
Yeah.
boot.
Yeah.
That is the only thing I did.
Got it. Boot space कैसी है?
Yeah, that is con itself.
Con? चल con.
यार,
बताओ. So with that, let's come into the cons. Tell us about the cons of the car.
Boot space, it is nice. It's like 360 liter something. But I think the design of the door or the basically the recline of the seat, back
Yeah.
seats, it is built in such a way that I always have some trouble in putting in
it.
4-5 trolleys in there, and it's difficult to close. Then you have to do all the BNCs in the world to find out space where you can
Got it.
adjust the cabin. But it is difficult. It's
Got it.
not very pro to having a compact SUV. I have seen some cars which have a very big boot space and उसका नहीं है scene यहाँ पे.
Got it. You know why that could be a potential reason?
Right.
This is built on that SsangYong Tivoli platform.
Okay.
And so the old 3XO, which
Right.
was a 300 XUV 300 that was built on the SsangYong Tivoli platform.
Okay.
Now, and even this one is, they have cut that platform short a little bit to bring it within 4 meters.
Okay.
So the boot space could be compromised because of that
Ah,
reason,
okay,
one. And two, if you actually look at the XUV 400, which is
Yeah.
their EV version of the same car,
हाँ,
उसको काटा नहीं है.
अच्छा.
वो थोड़ी सी लंबी है.
हाँ,
Because then it crosses that 4 meter mark.
Okay.
Right? And maybe that's where the boot space sort of gets compromised. Because EVs, they don't need to cut it, right?
Right,
In
right,
the
right.
EVs, they don't need to care if the taxation laws are not the same. Maybe that's a potential reason why this one has been slightly compromised.
But it is a pain to go on journeys like long road trips when you are having some trouble in getting your suitcases in line with it.
Yeah. Okay. What else? What are the other cons? I'm sure you had plenty of experiences with the car. Does this glitch? Has this glitched?
Yeah, this has been a big surprise for me.
Okay.
So I had read, like you, everyone knows now, I go on Reddit a lot.
Yeah.
So I had read a lot of Reddit reviews on Mahindra cars
Yeah.
and how much this glitches.
Yeah.
And to my surprise, 1.5 years down the line, it has never glitched.
Nice.
Never ever.
Neither the digital driving display nor
Nothing has
this
glitched.
infotainment.
Like everyone told me software update के पहले ना before the first servicing कुछ होएगा.
हाँ.
उसके बाद सब सही हो जाएगा अपडेट होने के बाद. बट सब सही चल रहा है. मतलब आई एम सरप्राइज कि इवन द सेल्समैन टोल्ड मी कि सर सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट होएगा उसका ठीक हो जाएगा सब. मैंने बोला क्या ठीक होएगा? बोला नहीं कुछ होएगा. मैंने बोला ठीक है. बट हाँ कुछ ग्लिच नहीं हुआ यार. इट्स वेरी नाइस. आई लाइक द होल लुक एंड फील ऑफ इट ऑल्सो. इट्स वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिव.
Yeah.
सो दैट्स नाइस.
Nice. No, very, very. I'm glad.
Yeah,
as a
Have you-
fellow Mahindra owner, I'm glad.
Have you faced it in Thar yet?
So far, nothing has glitched here as
Okay.
such. I had one engine light go on in the early days,
Yeah.
which turned out to be one of those coupler issues.
Okay.
And then it went and got like the wire coupler got fixed, and then yeah.
Yeah, I have also had couple of those things.
Oh, tell me more.
So when I got the car, right? So आगे का ये जो होता है ना जो उठता है इंजन के लिए
हाँ.
बोनेट.
हाँ.
So that was showing as always open. ठीक है. I was like कि क्या हो रहा है, बंद ही है, मैं खोल के बंद कर जा रहा हूँ, बंद है. It is showing as open.
हाँ.
Now what happened was that there was some fitting that needs to be adjusted here, right at the end of this thing.
Yeah.
So because of that, it was showing always open, and they had given the car, and I don't know, maybe
This is right at the start?
Right at the start.
Did you get PDI done?
No,
PDI is pre-delivery inspection.
I don't think so.
So basically, in that, before they allot you after they allot you the car and before they give you the delivery, they are supposed to get a pre-delivery inspection done, where they call you and they get you to check the car and like make sure that you are satisfied with the car, and that in that you could have possibly caught it. And then in Mahindra in general, I've heard of horror stories of why you should get a PDI done for sure. So for
Okay.
example, this one guy who I know who bought a 400, the EV version of this, his the front headlamp was actually fogging up,
Okay.
even in a new car.
Okay.
And so he's like, I'm not going to accept this. You either change this lamp or you change the car. I'm not going to accept this. And so they said, no, sir, we fixed it. He actually took it for a wash, car wash. He's like, "Ispe pani maro." He checked and like, fix hua hai. Fir se karo. So I don't know how he caught it, but then they actually, I think, gave him another car.
Oh, that's good.
Because in the PDI phase, you are the king.
Yeah.
You get to decide, because if you don't take the car off their hands, then it's also like adding to that turnaround time, right? They need to give you the car fast.
Right. Yeah,
And
I don't
just sharing
remember
it,
it.
yeah.
But yeah, I will keep this in mind.
There are also startups in this space now who actually help you get PDIs done.
Okay.
Because like all these new age companies help you, all your usual suspects. But the one I usually go to is not a brand plug, called this thing called Zigardo,
Okay.
who helped me do PDI for both the cars, and they have a very exhaustive checklist. The other challenge with PDIs is that a lot of these Mahindras and all don't allow you to connect a external computer to the car to check all the internals.
Okay.
But then again, you can negotiate with the dealership, and then sometimes they allow, sometimes they don't allow. But either way, a lot of the external stuff can be tested while getting the PDI. Sorry, long rant on PDI. But coming back to your cons.
Yeah. So yeah, that was one thing. And also, इसमें ना this yellow light of get it checked
Huh.
was popping up every now and then. So अभी the recent servicing I got it. लेकिन हाँ सर कुछ दिक्कत नहीं ना, दिक्कत है तो लाइट क्यों आ रही है?
कौन सी लाइट थी?
यार there is this one light which shows as a car icon.
अच्छा,
And
कार आइकन है.
हाँ.
इंजन आइकन तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं इंजन नहीं है, कार आइकन है. So it's just कि कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है, पता नहीं exactly. But लेकिन नहीं सर हमने सही कर दिया. हमने क्या सही कर दिया? नहीं सर उसका स्विच खराब हो गया था कुछ अंदर से.
वैसे ही वो गोली दे रहा है.
हाँ मतलब समझ में नहीं आया. फिर बीच में ना there was some, so right next to the accelerator I could hear some ringing noises. It has reduced. I am not saying that it is completely gone. When you drive it, you just rev it up. You see the एकदम से जब भागती है ना गाड़ी, you would see हल्की krrrn की आवाज आती है. That has not gone.
Okay.
It is still there, but it's now very faint. But at the start it was a lot. Then the second servicing I did, उसमें थोड़ा ठीक करी उन्होंने. And third servicing में मैंने कुछ बोला था तो उन्होंने करा नहीं. But हाँ वापस हल्की क्या थी.
आ गई है. Okay.
थोड़ी है. Like it's something.
Could be a
I'm
rattle
living with.
sound. Could be.
I don't know because I'm not sure.
Okay. Are there any other rattle sounds in the car? Like in general, the plastics rattling and like creaking and all that?
नहीं यार, to my surprise, like ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. I don't see any fitting issues. I don't see any rattling noises. Maybe one thing, if I'm nitpicking here, would be that so these rubbers that you see, right? If you open the car, you will see the हल्के loose है. ठीक है? So once or twice in the past, it has happened that we have opened the car and वो rubber ना detach हो गया.
Oh. Yeah, that's not nice.
Yeah. So if you see towards the edges, it's all loose. And not just this, but the next to the door also.
ये वाले. Oh, इधर.
Yeah, इधर भी.
हाँ.
So it is not very well fitted, I believe. But ठीक है, I'm hoping against hope कि सही हो.
But 1.5 साल में कुछ ऐसा अगर
हाँ, मतलब कुछ हुआ नहीं
करी है तो
नहीं,
ठीक
कुछ नहीं करा है. Like given the amount I've traveled in it,
Yeah.
like 22 and a half times,
Yeah.
so it's nice यार.
चलो मैं भी चलाता हूँ.
हाँ sure.
और कौन सोचा तुम तब तक?
अरे आपने सारे कवर कर दिया यार एक तो.
भाई तुम लेट के गाड़ी चलाते हो.
यहाँ मैं लंबा हूँ, मेरे को तो अच्छा लगता है.
फुल लेटे हुए हो. Farida Bari oncoming. Is the seat height adjustable?
Yeah, it is.
That's
if you
pretty
see
cool.
at the right side, there's a lever that you can adjust it with.
I can barely see because of the camera, so I don't know how you were driving, but thank you. What other cons? Now I'm driving. It's actually pretty smooth. Sorry.
Yeah, it's smooth. So if you rev it up, can you hear the noise? बहुत faint हो गई है.
No, I can't.
हाँ, बहुत faint हो गई ना.
Only you are noticing. I actually can't.
हाँ, maybe it's thing then for me because I knew starting में थी ना इसकी.
ये देखो ये भाई फोन पे लगे हुए हैं ना.
Scorpio है.
स्कॉर्पियो भी है. मतलब हम भी तो है. हम भी तो महिंद्रा में.
छोटे भाई हैं उसके अभी. थप्पड़ मार के भगा देगा.
यार स्मूथ है यार ये काफी.
भाई very smooth यार.
बड़ी लाइट है
हाँ.
चलाने में.
मतलब if so the difference between the three modes na, that is steering flexibility also. So if
What
you,
mode is this in right
this
now?
is zap.
Zap.
This is the one you feel the power in.
Yeah.
So when you go on that बढ़िया road ना,
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
try the zoom once and feel कि भाई भागती कैसे है.
Yeah.
And then you can try the zap also कि रुकती कैसे है. But I like the whole.
But yeah,
car
I
thing.
think overall in the last 1.5 years,
Yeah.
if you had to recommend this to friends and family,
Yes.
would you do it?
I would do it any day, anyone. I would recommend go and buy this blindly and buy this variant only.
Okay.
Well, it depends if you want ADAS and everything, but I think for what it's worth, this is giving me such a good experience.
Yeah.
Like it is an amazing drive. It gives me all the safety measures there. It has 6 airbags and everything. It is very good on hills. It has a very good suspension. You don't feel गाड़ी इधर उधर भाग रही है. You feel very stable with it. It is always in your control. I would completely go with it. Mileage अच्छी दे रही है. और क्या चाहिए यार गाड़ी में? मतलब anyone who is not very educated about buying cars and wants to just go have a good experience, safety and some basic features.
Yeah.
This is like a no-brainer for them.
Yeah.
I'm very happy with my experience.
Great value for money also.
Yeah.
And no massive issues with Mahindra servicing also that you face
Yeah, I've
in your
not faced
1.5 years and 3 services.
अभी तो 3 फ्री थे जो लेबर वाले. अब उसके बाद क्या पता इश्यूज आ जाए. बट अभी तक तो टच वुड कुछ आया नहीं ऐसा.
Nice. नहीं सही है. मेरा भी I'll share one experience that I had recently.
Yeah.
I had sent my Thar off for the first service and उसमें ना उन्होंने जब मैंने गाड़ी ली थी तो उन्होंने एक कपड़ा दिया था. Which is a towel, microfiber towel, which is packed very nicely.
yeah,
It was lying there in that door handle and it was just lying there. I never used it. So it was still packed nicely and all that. And so that when the car came, that went missing. I said, so they called me, they said, sir, how was the experience? I said, and they don't know I have any social presence, right?
Okay.
So any normal customer. And so I said, yeah, I mean, it was good. Everything's good. You got the car picked up on time, all of that. But there was one issue. My towel's gone missing. So in case you have that, and if you just kept it on the side, can you please send it? They said, okay, sir, let us figure. But don't give us the rating till you have gotten this back, okay? Just hold on to your ratings. They were very obsessed about getting a good rating.
Yeah.
I said, okay, yeah, sure. Next day, I get a porter at home. It is not the same towel. It is a big box with two-sided. I'll show you that towel.
Yeah.
It's like a, पता नहीं क्या भाई, experiential towel है वो. पता नहीं क्या टॉवल दिया उन्होंने, ऐसा खतरनाक टॉवल है. आई डिडंट इवन नो कि इतने अच्छे माइक्रोफाइबर क्लॉथ एग्जिस्ट करते हैं मार्केट में.
What?
So I have a feeling they sell it as
Yeah,
a
yeah.
aftermarket, that
Yeah.
towel, and they sent me that complimentary saying that, sir, just please give us a good rating. So I was very impressed. I was like, okay, you
Yeah,
could have
but
not
yeah.
sent the towel also, and I would have reduced your rating from a 5 to 4 at best.
Right.
But they were so adamant on the 5 stars that they sent me like an absolute brand new, really heavy duty fancy towel.
Like I have that towel that you're talking about. It's still packed.
Huh? Why did they give it to you? Oh, the one that they give it at the start.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
start one.
I'll show you the one I'm talking about right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think they are eager to please. They are trying to
They are trying to change their image also.
change their image on the service front.
Yeah.
And I think that was one of the other reasons why I wanted to buy a Mahindra, to just see firsthand.
Right.
Because I am also in the same stereotype that you had, right?
Yeah,
That I'm not going to consider this brand. I don't want the hassle. But let's see. Early days, but we'll keep you all posted. Okay. Any other last parting thoughts?
Yeah, it's been a great chat
चल
with
ठीक
you.
है.
ठीक है.
मत दे तू पार्टी थॉट्स यार.
ठीक है.
चलेगा. अब मैं भगाता हूँ थोड़ी सी.
हाँ.
अब हम अच्छी रोड पे आ गए.
You want to change the mood rather than
अभी ठीक है. Early impressions of me driving this is exactly what you said. It's very smooth, very planted at high speeds as well. It is very eager to. So yeah, I see your point on why it is fun to drive.
Yeah.
It is quite eager to be revved. This is, by the way, torque converter gearbox,
Yes.
which is also like a very bulletproof kind of a
Yes.
gearbox that doesn't sort of give way. It's a good thing. And it's not very jerky. It
Yeah,
does
yeah.
feel quite, the transmission smooth.
Yeah, it feels seamless only right.
Yeah. Nice. I think that's pretty much brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you, Ashwin, for sharing
Brian.
all your pros and cons and the detailed experience of your ownership of the 3XO. Hopefully that helps people make a better decision. If you have any questions for Ashwin, please drop them in the comments as usual and show him some love. And with that, see you all in the next one. Also subscribe.
Yeah, guys,
100K,
subscribe.
100K. Ashwin बोल दे यार subscribe करने को.
जल्दी करो अभी
हाँ, कर दो जल्दी से.
वरना महिंद्रा वाले आ जाए.
Farida Badi. Farida Badi is saying please subscribe. So do it. Thank you. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.
Thank you.